Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best rechargeable printer on the market, the Portable Printers Wireless for Travel by TATTMUSE. This compact and lightweight thermal printer is designed to meet the needs of busy professionals and travelers who require reliable, on-the-go printing without the hassle of ink cartridges. This printer stands out due to its portability and convenience. It weighs only 1.5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry in a backpack or briefcase. The built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery provides enough power to print up to 160 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch thermal paper on a single charge, so you won't have to worry about frequent recharging during your travels or workday. One of the most impressive features is its inkless thermal printing technology. Unlike traditional printers, this device does not require ink, toner, or ribbons. Instead, it uses thermal paper, which eliminates the common issues related to ink clogging or the need for regular maintenance. This makes it a cost-effective solution that keeps running smoothly without interruptions. The TATTMUSE portable printer supports multiple paper sizes, including US letter, A4, and smaller widths like 4.33 inches, 3.14 inches, and 2.08 inches. This versatility allows you to print various documents such as contracts, invoices, boarding passes, or photos directly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. The wireless Bluetooth connectivity pairs effortlessly with iPhone, Android devices, iPads, and tablets, allowing for easy printing anytime, anywhere. For laptops and desktop computers, a USB-C connection is available, though it requires a simple driver installation. Print quality is another key highlight. The printer offers sharp, clear output at 300 dpi resolution. Although it prints only in black and white, the clarity is perfect for professional documents and clear text, which makes it ideal for mobile notaries, business travelers, teachers, and office workers who need dependable, crisp printouts on the move. This compact printer also features a built-in paper bin that supports both continuous thermal roll paper and single-sheet thermal paper. This design adds convenience and efficiency, especially when you need to print multiple pages or receipts quickly without fumbling with paper refills. Whether you're working from home, on a construction site, driving long routes, or simply need to print documents while traveling, this device is built to perform reliably in various environments. Its compact size, rechargeable battery, and wireless capabilities make it an essential gadget for anyone who needs printing freedom beyond the traditional office setting. Overall, the TATTMUSE portable thermal printer offers an excellent blend of portability, ease of use, and high-quality printing. Its inkless technology reduces running costs, and the rechargeable battery ensures it's ready to go when you are. If you're in the market for a rechargeable printer that works seamlessly with your mobile devices and supports multiple paper sizes, this model is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.